Hi everyone, it's me, Rocky, and as you guys know, I have a series called ASMR with Rocky, and I feel like it was starting to get really boring for you guys, because I only have like one slime, so I'm changing it up. Today is the first episode of Science with Rocky. We are going to be doing in this series a few science experiments each week, and you guys can follow along if you want to. So let's get started. Today we're going to be making some Oobleck, and make sure to follow along if you want to. What are you doing? Boxy! What? I'm doing my new series. Oh, bye. Sorry about him. Today, let's make some Oobleck. So the things you'll need are a little jar or container, a spoon, some water, and cornstarch. So what you will do first is take a little bit of cornstarch, open it up, take the spoon, scoop some up, and put it in your jar, just like that. You can do a couple spoonfuls. Okay, next, you'll take your water, take a little bit of that, and now this is how you make the Oobleck. Mix it around a little bit and see how it feels. And if we have time, we might do a few experiments. Now, if it's too liquidy or too hard, so if it's too hard, add more cornstarch. No, if it's too hard, add more water. And if it's too watery, add more cornstarch. And ours is too watery. I think we added a little too much water. So let's get a little bit more cornstarch and mix it together. And now, see what it feels like. Ours is still too hard. Still too watery. Okay, now, oh, it's dripping. That's okay. Oh my gosh, now it's too hard. Oh, that's probably too liquidy now. We keep adding too much and then adding more, and then that's too much, and then we add more. Okay, there. So now feel it and see what you think. So the Oobleck combined with the water, if it's too liquidy, like take a drainer and you'll feel all the Oobleck down below. Can't reach it. There we go. You guys see that? It's like hard, as you see, and even the liquid is kind of hard. Okay, a little more cornstarch. Oh, we're out. Shoot. Oh well. So, depending on how you did it, you should feel the cornstarch combined with the water, and it's like hard and like liquidy at the same time. So feel yours and see how it worked. Okay, everyone. So for this, you need probably a tray, so make sure it doesn't like spill, and not a bowl. This again, if you have it. So let me grab my thing, and we might need a spoon, but we'll see. Okay, so I have a little container and a tray to make sure it doesn't like spill out, the baking soda and vinegar. So all you need to do is combine these. And this is new baking soda. So. How do you open this? I know how to, it's just not. You want whatever. I'm just gonna open the whole thing. Do we have one that's already open, maybe? We have some that is already open. So let's get started. Yeah, so for this in a spoon, we have cornstarch on it. A spoon. Okay, so whoa, I fell. Okay, so just take your baking soda and get a spoonful and put it in your container. Maybe a little more. It didn't say on the recipe how much you should put, so I don't know. Okay, the moment of truth. Oh boy. It's like adding Coke. It's like Coke. Wow, that's so cool. Look at that, guys. Oh, it smells terrible. That is so cool. Oh, it's coming! Okay, everyone. So, now, whoops, drop the food coloring. Now, we are going to do it a little bit differently. We are going to do the same thing, but take a bowl instead of a cup. And so, let's do that. And we're almost out, so I might have to get more. So, I got this, just in case. I'm just going to use the last of it. Okay. Now food coloring, let's do blue this time. Get a couple of drops. Oh, it's weird like that. What the heck? Okay. Vinegar, here we go. Oh! Da-na-na-na-na. Oh, come on! Let's pour it into the cup. That wasn't the best. Oh boy, oh boy. See what happens, see what happens. More. So pretty. Let's mix it. Okay,